Hey, this is Ricardo with Coulter, and this is your 1 St. Petersburg construction update.
We began closings in October and are now scheduling through level 25.
Here's another unit on level 18 that we're happy to deliver to another one of our owners. Here's a typical furniture layout for your elevator lobby. On level 25, we're putting the finishing touches on our common corridor finishes. Here's a unit on level 25 undergoing final developer punch. On level 29, we're making the final corrections on a unit, preparing it for delivery. Here's some of the typical artwork that's located in your corridor. Here we are on level 33 in a unit that's going through its punch process. Here we are on level 35, where this specific unit is undergoing contractor punch. Here's a look at your new boardroom. Here we are in our formal social known as Club 1. Here's our indoor social room, better known as the Splash Lounge, fully furnished. We're doing the finishing touches on the installation of our billiards table in the game room.
What an amazing day at 1 St. Petersburg. Center rivals any gym in the city.
Thanks for joining us for this latest update. We look forward to welcoming you home soon at 1 St. Petersburg.
You're the best.